Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to become VIP 1 on Binance. So if you want to become VIP 1 on Binance, you'll need to meet Binance's eligibility requirements based on your trading activity. So firstly, you need to open the Binance, and next is you need to go to the three-line icon in the top left. Make sure you have verified your profile already. So you need to select your profile icon in the top. So if you have already verified your account, here you'll see a VIP privilege icon here. And to qualify for VIP 1, you'll typically need to meet Binance's minimum 30-day trading volume requirement or maintain the required BNB balance or other qualifying assets, depending on Binance's current VIP criteria. And you can monitor your progress, checking your recent trading volume and account holdings from within the VIP section. And once you satisfy the eligibility requirements, Binance will automatically upgrade your account to VIP 1. And that is it. That is how you can become VIP 1 on Binance by meeting the required trading volume or account balance criteria. You'll automatically unlock Binance's VIP benefit and reduce trading fees. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below.